Okay, this is another example for K-map. If you look at this equation, this is SOP, which is non-standard SOP. So you got Z equals to B bar C bar D plus B C bar D plus C bar D bar plus B C D bar plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C. So you have to plot this equation as 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So you look at Z equals to B bar C bar D. So you got BCD line 0, 0, 1. So you just look at this line BCD 0, 0, 1. You place 1 here. So another 0, you can find 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Where is 0, 0, 1? So B, C, D. B0, C0, D1. You got 0, 0, 1 here. Okay. So next is BCD again, 1, 0, 1. So you look at area 1, 0, 1 for BCD. 1, 0, 1 is here. So another one, 1, 0, 1 is here. So CD. So you just look at line CD, which is have 0, 0. So whatever 0, 0, so you can place 1 here. So 0, 0, 1 here. 0, 0, 1 here. 0, 0, 1 here. Okay. Now you got BCD bar 1, 1, 0. Just look at the row BCD 1, 1, 0. So you got 1, 1, 0 here, and then 1, 1, 0 here. And then 1, 0, 0 A, B, C. Just look at the row A, B, and C. 1, 0, 0. So you got A, 1, 0, 0. Sorry, 1, 0, 0. So you got duplicate here, 1, 0, 0, duplicate here. So 1, 0, 0. So you don't have 1, 0, 0. And then you got 0, 0, 1. You got 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1 here. 0, 0, 1 here. Okay. Now you plot all of this back to the K-map. You got 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0 here. 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. And you got 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0 here. And 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. Then 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 0. So after you plot all of this, you can do a grouping. For example, here we got 3 grouping, which is first grouping is a group of 8. This one is a group number 1. A grouping number 2 is a group of 4. Grouping number 3 is a group of 4. Okay, for grouping number 1, a group of 8. So you don't read here A and B because A and B change state. You just look at the C and D. So basically C is 0 and 0. So you read C as C bar. You don't read D. Okay, you complete for a group 1. And then a group 2. So a group 2 you read here and on the top CD. CD change state. So you just left A and B. So A0, B0. That's why you got A bar, B bar. So next, a group number 3. So you compare this one and this one. And this one and this one. So here you got B, which is B here. And then over here you got D is 0 and 0, so you got D bar. So your equation for this non-standard SOP can be simplified into Z equals to C bar plus A bar B bar plus B D bar. Thank you for your class today.